Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Winter has begun. Hello and welcome to this edition of Syndico's Bass Fishing Shows. I'm getting ready to put my boots in my car. Winter has begun. I don't really know where I'm heading, but I know I'm going to be needing them boots. Because anyway, it's sunny right now. It rained like crazy last night and all day yesterday. So I'm sure wherever I go, it's going to be muddy. I'm thinking maybe Coyote or, I don't know, maybe back to Uvis since I didn't catch anything last time there. But like I said, I'm got to be taking the boots with me. Definitely winter's begun. It's been cold all week. It's been raining on and off, and well, this is the fun time to be a bass fisherman. Alright, put these things in my trunk and head out to a lake. I know I'm going to a lake, just don't know which one yet. Hope you enjoy it. Yes, the loo. I'm hanging out in the parking lot. I decided to go to Uvis. Met these two trailblazers, I guess. Trailblazers. True bikers. He actually went on a, where'd he go? Iceland?
Yeah.
He actually just got back from a venture through Iceland. Went there on their bikes and went through Iceland. So out here and gonna go for a ride to the tree, I guess. And I got, remember the first time I was here, I told you about all that rubber in the parking lot? Well, we got some of the crew over there and they were just sitting here spinning donuts earlier. I don't really like the smell of rubber. Yeah. They're still here. I don't know if they're going to do some more spinning, but we're going to get a shot of these guys taking off. Yeah, I meet a lot of interesting people here. The ones I don't like are the ones over there in their fancy cars that spin donuts. Yeah, I decided to come here because I saw this wind on the way here, and Coyote, well, you've seen the videos where I deal with the wind. I figured Uvis is a little safer. There's actually a spot I can get with the wind behind me. So that's why I decided to keep going past Coyote and come here. Ready to head out. Alright, I'm just getting ready to head out. Made up some jigs while I was here with my pen skirt tool. Remember the last one I ran out of the green pumpkin June bug? That's what I've been catching them on, even at 612 I got on this. So I made up a couple more, and I think I'm going to start over down on that road bed first, and then I'll move to that point I've cut them all off. But made up some jigs this time, a couple of them, so it's getting to be that time. Alright, I'm going to head down there. Okay, right before I got ready to head down to the lake, a bunch of cyclists came through. And I've been amazed since I've been coming to these lakes because there are so many cyclists here, so many bikers. Bikes, not motorcycles. But I was totally amazed. I ended up finding out that there's actually, it's called Specialized. It's a bike company that's actually based here in Morgan Hill, which is where Uvis and Anderson and Chesbro, the area they're in. I didn't realize how much bikes are these days. These people were on lower end ones. They were $2,000 a piece. And he saw a guy, he goes, well, that's another Specialized bike. That one's about $4,000. They go up to $10,000. And they weigh nothing. I picked up the guy's bike. I'm like, that thing weighed like 4.5 pounds for a whole bike. And one guy, they're biking 60 miles today. And he's 63 years old. I'm 50 now, and I go up and down these hills, and you've seen it in my video. I'm like, I think they've inspired me. I need to start doing some cycling and exercise more. But just wanted to throw that in because I was so amazed. And I've always been amazed since I've been coming here and how many bicyclists are in this area. I mean, I'll have 30, 40 bikes go by me in a day. And since I've been here, there's been at least 20 that have pulled in. Alright, enough for the me, sad, out of shape, old guy thing. I'm going to go down and see if I can catch some fish. Okay, pretty much gave up on the old road bed. I went over there, threw the drop shuttle over it. Hasn't been a good place for me, so I've come back over here, right by the launch, where I pretty much caught all my fish, or 90% of my fish in this lake. So I'm going to sit here on this rock ledge and see if I can catch myself some Uvis bass. I've now been, I don't know, over an hour scanning this rock pile. Just over and over. Tried to jig on it, I've tried to drop shot on it, I'm trying flicking on it. I don't know what's up with these fish. I thought I had one bite flicking. Felt like a thump. But if it was, he dropped it. Thought I felt a little weight for a second, but I don't know. Wind's not up like they said it was going to be, and it looks like it's died down since I came here. Maybe coyote would have been a better choice, but I'm here now. I'm going to keep fishing this thing until I catch something. Okay, I've been seeing shad around, believe it or not. Anyway, it's almost December. So I'm actually going to try this jerkbait over this area. Don't know, haven't seen any chasing, but they don't seem to be on the bottom on this rock, so maybe I can find some over the top of it. Oh, worth a try. Okay, worked the jerkbait around for a little bit. Now I'm actually going to a deep diving Norman. If I can bounce it around down there over those rocks. It's a big black and red crank. Just trying to see if they're off the bottom or want something faster.
There it is. I just bounced it right over all that rock. Just bounced it right over all that rock. There are shad out there. See that dippling out? See it? Oh, they are chasing them. So, did you see that? The bass came all the way out of the water. Man. Problem is, it's too far away from me. And that was a fish. He jumped all the way out of the water on him. That's where these fish are. They're out chasing. Okay, these shad have come over. Close enough, I can reach him. There's not much chasing going on, but maybe I'll get lucky. Oh, see right there. Oh, there are millions of shad out there. Maybe if I spook the shad, I'll get the bass going. I mean, they were doing some chasing on them. Doubt it though, they're not very active on them. I think they're just sitting under and waiting for them to die off. Picking off the weak. Go time. Looks like it's go time. Yep, it's go time. Alright, that's going to do it for this edition of Central Coast Bass Fishing Shows. Another show of no fish, not good, but winter is upon us. I mean, I tried everything, even found those fish schooling out there, so I don't know, gave it a try, but you know, wintertime, that's when it starts getting tough. It's already getting really cold out right now. Feels like it's going to freeze here, but I got something a little different planned for, I think tomorrow I'm going to do it, so it should be a good one. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you join us for our next Central Coast Bass Fishing Show.
Heck yeah. Here we go.